And that, my friends, is her Musubi snack. Let's see how she likes it. So today my daughter wants a snack of musubi, so I'm going to show you how I make the musubi sauce. I use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I use a tablespoon of cornstarch. I like to add the dry ingredients first, then the wet ingredients. I use 1 cup, this is 4 tablespoons of cooking wine, and 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Oh, it takes a while. There we go. Mix that in there. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, which is 1 tablespoon for this. 15 milliliters equals 1 tablespoon. These measurements are right on the outside. And then I'm going to use some mirin, 1/2 cup of this medicine cup, so that's basically 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters. And then I'm going to add a cup of water, which one of these little cups is basically 4 tablespoons. And that's it. Now I'm just going to stir it up. I'm going to do this while it's still cold. It's kind of hard to film and stir at the same time because the pan wants to move around. Let me set the camera. There we go. And now that I'm stirring it, I'm going to turn on the heat to medium-high until this gets thick. This is what I'm going to pour over the Spam when I cook it. Like the homemade musubi teriyaki sauce, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, now we're going to cut up the Spam. Oh, if it'll come out. For the Spam, I'm going to cut it about 1/4 inch, and she wants 2 of them, so I'm just going to do 2. She's the only one eating the musubi snack today. Okay, I've got my pan here, and I put some cooking spray in it. I'm going to wait till those get a little brown on each side, and then I'll add the musubi sauce. Meanwhile, I'm going to take 1 sheet of nori and fold it in half. This would be the perfect size, the same size as a can of Spam. There we go. I'm going to cut that down the middle. There we go, and there's her 2 sheets for her musubi. Meanwhile, the Spam is starting to cook. Flip it over. She does not like eggs or anything on hers. She just wants the sauce, the rice, the seaweed, and the Spam. Okay, it's still cooking. Let's turn over, see if it's getting brown yet. There we go. And now I'm going to add some of the sauce to it. It's pretty thick. And I have extra leftover for later. Okay, let's turn the heat down. Alright, it's looking good. Now I'm going to get ready to start making her musubi. So I've heated up some leftover rice. Now I'm going to form the musubi. So I know there are like devices that you can make it, but basically what I use is an old Spam can that I just chopped off the top. So I put it there. I leave about 1.5 inches, 2 inches from the bottom, and I'm going to put the rice right in there to make the perfect shape. So let's get a little closer, and let's put some rice in the hole. And basically what you do is push it down so it's even. Okay, it's even and flat in there. So now let's go get the Spam. Oh, first we're going to take this off. I hold it down with the spoon and lift it up. As you can see, except for this little piece that came off there, it is the shape of the Spam. So grabbing one of the Spams, put it there just like that. Then I'm going to put that up there just enough to stick, and wrap it around. And I'm going to set it on the opening. There we go. Let's make one more. So again, we're going to grab the old Spam can, leave about 2 inches from the bottom. Grab a spoon or anything you want to grab, your hands, and shovel the rice in there. This is just some leftover rice that we saved because we know our baby girl likes snacks. I'm going to push it down until it's all even. Hold it down, lift it up. There we go. And last but not least, grab that Spam that now has that thick sauce all over it. She's going to love this. Sticks right there to it. Flip it around and put it right on there along with the other one. And that, my friends, is her Musubi snack. Let's see how she likes it. Okay, my youngest just sat down. There's your Musubi, sweetie. That's a snack you asked for. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to go do other stuff and let you watch her eat. Enjoy.
All right.
You can talk too if you want.
Hold on. Oh no.
How is it?
Good.
Good. Can I get a thank you, Daddy?
Thank you, Dad.
Or you can say, AFATASI, Dad. That means thank you.
AFATASI, Dad.
Good job, sweetie. Enjoy your food.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're a pretty quiet eater, huh? All right. So I guess my daughter's pretty darn quiet when she's eating and enjoying her Musubi. So I will let her sign off. What do you say in Samoan?
Pasefui?
Safua.
Oh, Pasefua.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye. First I gotta get some cash, and then I'll get some gas. That is half a tank. I'm gonna grab about 7 of these. There we go, got 7 of those. Now I'm gonna grab 7 of these giant turkey club sandwiches. Grab some Cool Whip for my wife for her pumpkin pie. And now I just gotta go get some paper bags. Okay, I got 7 brown paper bags here because all they had was 7 turkey sandwiches. Let's make up the first bag. So each bag is gonna get a water bottle. One of these long ass turkey sandwiches. Let's give them $10. How about that? And maybe a lucky holiday scratch card. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Which one are you hungry? Stuff in there. There you go, sir. Happy Thanksgiving. There's $10 for your brother. You can get yourself a sandwich. Sorry, that was my last sandwich to give out.
No, that's all right.
All right, happy Thanksgiving. Okay, putting in the turkey, highly spiced, got the neck, the butt, all that good stuff my wife loves. Threw some whole garlics inside there to give its arse area a great smell. Now time to watch a little football. Yeehaw, love Thanksgiving. Got about 30 minutes till our little turkey for our little family is done. And just added some ham. And finally we're done. We got turkey, corn on the cob, sweet potatoes, cranberry jelly, ham, pineapple, mashed potatoes, and stuffing. And the last thing to do is, of course, pour on the gravy. Oh, yeah. And last but not least, the final condiment. Oh, yeah.
Mom, can we change the channel on football? Dad's sleeping.